Hello student, I am Susil. In this video clip we learn how you can cap these hole with single click. If you want to cap these hole with the standard method by using border or edge, you can select them. So first I click on the border and then click here. Now we have to find cap tool. So it's available in the edit border. Now I click on the cap tool and this hole cover with the surface. Same as you can select these edges. Now I click on the edge subdivision mode, then click on these edge with the control key, and then we have to find bridge tool. It's available in the edit edge, so I click here. If you click on the setting button, you can add additional edge, but this time I have to select one and then apply. So these are two standard method, but this time I use a modifier that called cap hole modifier. So I click on the modifier list and then find cap hole. It's available here. So I click on the cap hole and all the holes cover with the polygon. So this modifier is very useful, and in the parameter panel there are couple of checkbox. If you click on the triangulated cap, these cap surface start showing triangulate line. If the surface area is very big, so many triangulated line will be there. Same as two other option for smoothing purpose, you can use them. If you click on this checkbox, a smoothness will apply on the newly created cap holes. So sometimes this modifier is very useful. I hope you like this video. If you like this, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Now we meet in the next class.